Don't have the time or the skills to write an ebook? Here are some things to consider if you're thinking about hiring a ghostwriter. Experience. Look for a ghostwriter who has experience writing in your niche or industry. Communication. Make sure that the ghostwriter you choose is easy to communicate with and understands your vision of the ebook. Budget. Ghostwriting services can vary in cost depending on the experience and skills of the writer. Contract. Before you begin working with a ghostwriter, make sure that you have a contract in place that outlines the terms and conditions of the project. Editing and revisions. Even if you hire a ghostwriter, it's important to review and edit the ebook yourself to ensure that it meets your standards. Confidentiality. Because the ghostwriter's work is confidential, ensure that the writer is willing to sign a non-disclosure agreement to protect your content. Hiring a ghostwriter can be a great way to create a high-quality ebook without having to write it yourself. Just be sure to choose a reputable, experienced writer who understands your needs and can deliver the final product you are looking for. Use websites like Upwork and Fiverr to find ghostwriters. Follow this page for more tips on how to create an ebook from idea to 6 figures.